guys, welcome back to my channel. My today's topic is about relationship, how to soothe yourself after you have a breakup. So after you have a breakup, one definitely needs to be soothed by himself or by someone else, the one who is close to the person, the one who is in the family and very much close to the person's heart. So in this way, the energy that the person had during his relationship, the encouragement, the faith, all this gets broken, and this is very important to bring again in the same right place. So it's definitely important to oneself to shoot, but more than that, it's important to be more stronger, to understand that this was not the right person for him, or this was not the right time to get into a relationship. Even though we do things at the wrong time, maybe the time is not permitting, or the time is trying to teach us some different lesson by trying to guide some big lesson that would help that person in later life through this relationship. So it's better to take the relationship, take the breakup scene in a positive way, because the one we can always take our negative times in wrong way, in wrong emotions, but that only hurts ourselves. We get more injured inside, we get more insecure, we get more negative, we get more scary about taking challenges further in life. Many people feel scared to start a new relationship again. They think a lot of time after if a breakup or divorce happens. So this situation, this kind of breakup is not meant for everyone, even though, but it's a natural thing. Many people are going through this, so it would be the positive attitude that one should handle it wisely, one should handle it in a positive manner, because many things happen for good. If that person was very much abusive, or maybe whatever the reason could be, maybe you were not ready for that intimate relationship, or maybe you were not ready to take a step ahead in the relationship, maybe you were taking much time to grow with the person. So it may happen, maybe this was not the right time for him, maybe this was not the right time for you, or maybe this relationship was not right for that person. It can happen anything. So it's better take it positively, and there are many options in today's time, so never to worry. And the biggest thing that person needs to be shouldn't more often is that we human being have a tendency, most of us have the tendency to stick to one person or stick to one situation. We try to get be in that comfort zone. If we are comfortable with some person, if we are 10% comfortable or 20% comfortable, we try to think that this is the last, this is the end of life, or this is what ultimate life is. We cannot get out of the box or get out of the boundary. We cannot test our limits. So this is the time to test your limits. This is the time to show your courage. This is the time to be confident and move on, because nature has shown you the sign that you are more stronger, and you have to be strong even more, and some better opportunities of course waiting for you. So breakup should be taken in a positive way. Rather, mental issues are going to affect, insecurities are going to build inside, and thus life is going to be miserable. It may affect in the regular lives as well as other relationships in the family, or maybe in the career, everywhere. It takes a lot of time for many people to get back to that normal situation they were in once, because they are more emotionally connected to the person they were in relationship with. And there it happens that imaginations form in the mind, illusions start to create, that this is the ultimate purpose of my life, this is the man of my dreams, and I'm going to live with this person, and I'm going to be with this person and live a heavenly life. But nature many a times is not that straight line. Nature of course is not that straight line, so problems happen. Many a times we get that rush, or many a times we get that push to start a new life, to start a new time, to start a new relationship, where you can, if you search through, you will find that many people are out there who are trying to get a situation to get out of the relationship, as they are currently bound with the social norms, or maybe some comfort zone they have got. So therefore they are not able to test for something new, they are not able to reach out to more people or some new people, because they think that the one they have been settled with is the best person, and no one can be better than this. So this kind of person changes their decisions when nature forces them, or some breakup or some problems, some divorce happens in a very miserable way. These persons then are forced to take a new decision, and thus they become very mentally disturbed and mentally discouraged rather. So it's better when when things are coming to you, if wrong things are coming to you, it's better to take the situation in a positive manner. Try to think from various angles, and it would be the best thing if you see around some other people's, maybe your friends, family, or cousins, or extended family. Try to see people's life, try to analyze them, because these are the things which all these things most people try to avoid in their life. They don't think about life, or they never analyzes their life minutely. So there the problem lies, because the thing they see from their eyes, they think immediately, instantly, they just make a belief that this is the ultimate thing, this is the actual thing. What's behind the picture, they never try to understand, they never try to believe or try to test. So friends, I hope this was helpful to you guys, and please do watch my videos if you like, because I'm here to help you with my words, through my words, on various aspects of life. I have many videos on regular life relations. This is the first video, or maybe second video I am making on relationships. So please do watch my videos, because it's going to help you in your life to live a very better life, to change the quality of your life, of course. So thank you friends, bye bye.